All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is the Whitestone Dome Life. that's the name of it, the Dome Life. Now I've been actually using this for about 3 weeks probably, and I wanted to see how the charging times were and things like that. So that's why I didn't do an unboxing. So I've had this for roughly 3 weeks, and I appreciate Whitestone Dome sending this out for me to check out. They sent this out a long time ago when they sent me the glass for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So this device right here obviously is a portable charger that works with your Apple Watch, and I'll get my Apple Watch off here. There's my Apple Watch, there's my AirPods, and here is my iPhone. So the Apple, this Whitestone Dome Life thing, that Dome Life that you have here, here is everything. So this is something that can go in different orientations. Now you can find this on sale for $14.99 directly from the Whitestone Dome website. I'll put that link down below. But if you buy it on Amazon, it's actually more, it's $19. And on the Whitestone Dome website, you can get 10%. If you hover for just a second, you can get 10%. If you buy a combination of things from them, you get 15% off and free shipping in the US only. So this thing adjusts like so. It pops out like this, and there's a little cable that goes down inside that goes to the charging portion. And for everything else, this part pops out right here for the lightning cable. Now, you know, this is plastic with the charging tech obviously inside. My concern would be with this is kind of flimsy right here. However, just make sure when you put it away, you keep it tucked and away. And you should be okay, because again, I've been using this for 3 weeks and I've had no problems. So the orientation can be positioned like this. You want to make sure you get the cable on the right side. You can put it in there like that. You can put the cable, you can put it together like this. All right. And so any orientation that you can think of, you can actually put it like this. I'm just showing you these different ones here. You can put it like that. You know, you just find the orientation that works for you. Just be careful, don't pull too hard and yank that cable out, because that's my fear from using this, that I will pull it out and break the cable. That cable isn't the strongest on that side, so just be careful of that. Now, you can actually plug up 2 things at once. This is designed, I have a portable charger, but you can put it into what you want. So it goes like, I'm going to plug it in like this, and then I'm just going to plug up my iPhone.
Charging.
Okay, it lets you know you're charging, and then I'll plug this up too. And then our watch comes on. So you can plug up these 2 things if you want to at the same time. Now, speaking of time, charging times. So I normally charge, the way I use this is overnight actually. That's how I've been using this. I've been using it overnight with the watch, because the Series 5 Apple Watch doesn't have the best battery. And that's something that you definitely should take note of, at least for me, that is. I don't think it has the best battery, so I flop mine down on here overnight. And if you don't want to charge your phone,
Charged.
you can plug up your AirPods, and you see the little, so you can see it's a little light. It's on. You trust me, it's on. So you can use these 2 things. But the Apple Watch is really the thing that I use this for the most. That way I don't have to use the charging cable that comes with the Apple Watch, the long cable everywhere. You can plug this into your laptop or whatever, and I'm just using it with a power bank here, but this is how it actually works. So my Apple Watch is fairly decently charged, so I don't really need to keep it on there. I just want to do that for demo purposes. And then the AirPods always need charging. These are the 1st gen AirPods. So I like how this stores away, and this review is based on about 3 weeks of usage. This is a useful tool. I will go on record and say I actually like this. A lot of accessories that you can get in, sometimes you might not like them, but this is one that I can get behind. It's only because some people, if you lose your Apple charging pad or something like that, and you don't want to go through Apple again, you can just grab one of these. Now, there are a ton, let's be real here, there are a ton of different things out there like this that you could possibly purchase. So bear that in mind when you're deciding to use this product. Do your research and find it. Find something else similar if you want to. If you don't like this short style, find the long cable. But I personally love this short style right here because you can throw this in any pocket. If you ladies, you can throw it in your purse. Fellas, you can throw it in your merce, I guess. Throw it in a back pocket. Throw it in a glove box. Throw whatever you want to do with it. But anytime you have a USB port there, that's a female, this male end can go into it and it'll charge two things at once. Now, again, I recommend that you don't get it from Amazon. Get it directly from Whitestone Dome at the recording of this video, which is the 15th of June. It's about to be the 16th in a few minutes. But, getting it for $14.99, it's on sale directly through the website. And then again, if you hover for a second, I think it offers a $10% coupon as well when you sign up for some list or something like that. I would just do it the best way you want to do it. If you want to order from Amazon, knock yourself out and spend the extra money, but always go with the best pricing. So this is a cool product, and I can get behind it, man. I appreciate them sending it over, but I actually tested it out for at least 2.5-3 weeks, man. And this is now how I charge my Apple Watch. It doesn't stay in this office. It actually sits by my bedside because I have this big giant, it's not giant. I have a night light that has fast charging in it. So when I plug this in, charging times. My bad. I forgot to tell you about the charging times. It charges my Apple Watch, even though I do it overnight. Today I had to charge my Apple Watch during the middle of the day because I forgot to charge it last night. And it charges the Apple Watch just alone on my fast charger, coupled with this, in about 45 minutes to an hour, somewhere in that range. That's how fast it's charging my Apple Watch from zero. Now, the phone or the AirPods, these charge fairly fast because it's not a lot to charge. The phone, I've never tested it really with this. I just let it sit overnight, and that's how I use that. So, my bad for skipping around over the charging times, but those are my charging times because I have this plugged into the USB plug directly into a fast charger, like 60 watts. Well, I think it's 60. Yeah, I think it's 60. It's charged, but I don't know if that has any kind of impact on it, or what you plug it into. I don't know. You won't find any charging times anywhere online for this. So this has been my experience with it. Plugging it into my nightlight, which is a fast charger, and then I plugged it into my Mac today also, and it charged in roughly 45 minutes or so, an hour from zero. So maybe that's the charging time. That's a long time to charge my watch, but maybe it's not. So I don't use the Apple charger anymore, and I never looked at the times on there. So it's your man Jay, new product from Whitestone Dome. They're not doing just glasses now. They're doing some other stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.